The benefit of using Bluetooth on track is that the reduction in complexity of the wiring. Normally when you've got 3 circuits, you've got 3 times the complexity for your cabling. You've got three circuits, you've got to take that back to 3 switches or 3 controllers, all those kinds of things. If you're using Bluetooth, that complexity all disappears, and all that complexity, it becomes an advantage in the Bluetooth. So because you can address each circuit individually, you can put 3 different Bluetooth devices on 3 different circuits on the track and control them all on the same scene, all from your app on your phone. So all that wiring complexity all disappears. So we've got our track light range of product. Several products in the range, starting with this device, which is just a Bluetooth track adapter. This turns everything, it's DALI, everything on the track can be controlled by this Bluetooth node via the app. That's the most straightforward product. There's also an emergency version of this, so you can put emergency luminaires on the track and control them and take the fault reports back from this device into the Cool Mesh app. We've also got a similar device, but with a little node on it, a little sensor on it. It's a PIR sensor, but again it's Bluetooth. So this is a node and a sensor combined. This device is got a node built into it, but it can be things other than DALI. So there's a 1 to 10 volt version, so you can use 1 to 10 volt track luminaires. There's a switching version, so you can just use switching luminaires on the track. But again, it's Bluetooth, so everything controlled from the app. Everything can be within scenes. You can create different scenes, so useful for exhibitions, museums, that kind of thing, where you want to change the lighting, which is inherently what you want to do with track. You want to be able to change it, so you can use this device for that. And there's also one with a sensor in it, and the sensor can be adjusted. So you can adjust the sensor. So if you've got people coming into a space like an exhibition, you can point the sensor at where they're coming in, so that it picks them up straight away. So as soon as they come in, it can either go to a specific scene, or you can create an animation scene that it can go to, all those kind of things. Again, quite a useful device. So it's a DALI Bluetooth luminaire mounting point, essentially. So this here is for mounting the luminaire on. You can wire inside it with the DALI, and so you can put anybody's DALI luminaire onto that, and it turns it into a track mounted product. So again Bluetooth, so you can have any number on a length of track. Several projects using this equipment now, including emergency test and reporting, so it's working really well. All the standard European 3-circuit track. So you've got standard 3-circuit track, and also 3-circuit track with a DALI pair as well.